Sa muling pagsalang ni OVP Assistant Chief of Staff Lemuel Ortoño sa impeachment trial kahapon, kabilang sa mga kinwestiyon ang ginastos na confidential funds para ipambili ng gamot ng informants. Itutuloy sa Martes ang impeachment trial dahil regular holiday ang National Heroes Day sa Lunes. Balita hatid ni Ian Cruz.
Muling sumalang sa witness stand si OVP Assistant Chief of Staff ASEC Lemuel Ortoño para sa cross-examination ng depensa. Una nilang sinilip ang hindi pagsumite ng physical and financial plan kasabay ng request ng OVP na confidential funds.
Your request for additional budget was actually approved by the Office of the President.
That's correct, ma'am.
And in the process of approving your request for additional budget, no issue whatsoever was raised by either the DBM or the Office of the President regarding the documents that you submitted.
We did not receive any comment regarding the submissions that we've made.
Nasilip din ang paggamit sa confidential fund na nakasaad sa physical and financial plan.
The confidential funds were not used to fund the good governance program in itself, but the implementation thereof.
Yes, that's correct, ma'am.
The confidential funds for the year 2023 were not used to fund the socio-economic program itself, but the safe implementation thereof.
Pinalagan ito ng prosekusyon na tinawag si Ortoño na incompetent na tumistigo kung saan nagastos o napunta ang confidential funds.
He himself explained that he had no participation whatsoever in the disbursement of said confidential funds. So this witness, Your Honor, by his own admission, is incompetent to testify where the confidential funds were spent.
Muling nilinaw kung alam ba ni Ortoño kung saan ginastos ang mga pondo.
Base sa testimonya mo, Ginoong Ortoño, wala kang alam sa paggastos, pag-liquidate, pag-disburse ng confidential fund. Tama?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Sabi ni Gina Acosta, wala rin siyang alam.
Based on what I have read
Na testimonya
news,
niya?
Yes, sir.
Base sa pagkakaalam mo, alam ba ng Vice President kung paano ito ginastos?
The way I understand it, sir, as the head of agency, I would understand that she knows the implementation, sir.
Yes. So si Colonel Lachica, alam din siyempre.
Yes, sir, as the security officer.
Inusisa naman ni Senator Judge Raffy Tulfo kung bakit hindi tinanong ni Ortoño kung anong klaseng gamot ang binili gamit ang confidential funds ng OVP.
Did you ask kung anong medisina binili para sa medisina bibili nung informant, yung pera?
When the time na nag-consult po ako with the security officer, sir, I did not ask anymore on the specifics.
You are a very highly educated person from prestigious schools. Come on, it doesn't make sense. It defies logic. Tatanungin mo dapat.
At the time po, sir, when I consulted with the security officer, sir, I was not able to ask anymore on
Why
the
not?
details, sir.
It's part of your job. In fact, pumirma ka doon sa pag-reply mo sa IOM.
I asked, sir,
So
kung ano
pumirma
yung
ka
process.
nakapikit. Yes, sir.
No, sir, hindi naman po na nakapikit, sir, because nagtanong naman po ako sa security officer namin, sir, on how it was released or implemented on the ground.
Could have asked La Chica and said, La Chica, bakit di tayo pumunta sa DOH, maghingi tayo ng gawat para makalibre, makatipid tayo sa confidential funds?
That I cannot answer, sir.
Sa pag-interject ni Senator Judge Kiko Pangilinan, kinwestiyon niya kung bakit gamot ang binili bilang reward sa mga informant.
Mahirap paniwalaan na kayo ay gumastos ng 122 million para sa gamot na reward dahil nag-surveillance yung mga informant at nabigyan ng reward at hiningi nila gamot at hindi niyo binigyan ng gamot, binigyan niyo ng pera para sila nang bibili ng gamot.
May napansin naman si Senator Judge Panfilo Lacson sa physical and financial plan ng OVP Confidential Fund noong 2022 at 2023 na nagkakahalaga ng 500 million pesos. Anya, tila iisa at copy-paste lang ang nakasulat na physical target.
Percentage of activities implemented without untoward security-related incidents. Paulit-ulit po ito. Ano pong analysis nyo dyan?
These are the activities that will be done, sir.
I know. Hindi ba ito insulto sa common sense? Hindi man lang nyo binago ng konti. O, ako na mag-describe. I think it's stupid. Sana man lang binago-bago niya ng konti.
Sinilip din ang mga di pangkaraniwang pangalan sa acknowledgement receipt na pinirmahan ng mga informant. Minsan ang natanong ng ilang senator judges, baka alias ang mga ito.
Ang alias po, anong kahalagahan?
I'm not sure of the circumstances surrounding their use of alias. Under the anti-alias law, sir, inaalaw naman po yung paggamit ng alias provided kailangan po nakabanggit din, nakadisclose kung ano yung real name. That should be a non-issue because even them, they never claimed that in any of their pleadings before this honorable court.
Kilala niyo po ba kung sino si Maricel Bonifacio?
To be candid, Your Honor,
Oh.
I'm not
Sino po?
familiar.
Si Benigno
I'm sorry,
Aquino
Your Honor.
Jr. Si Ninoy. Siya mismo may alias.
Dahil nabanggit si Ninoy, nag-react si Senator Judge Bam Aquino, pamangkin ng pinaslang na dating senador.
Tama po, si Ninoy Aquino po ang kanyang alias ay Marshall Bonifacio para makauwi po siya sa Pilipinas nung nasa Boston siya. Oho, pero wala naman ho siyang confidential funds.
Bago magtapos ang cross-examination, hiniling naman ni Senator Judge Mig Zubiri na hingin sa COA ang status ng kanilang findings sa confidential funds.
Can this court make representation with the COA, if possible, during the duration of this trial, so that we may be guided as judges? Can they make their finding already with finality?
The Commission on Audit is an independent constitutional commission, and I doubt if we would be well within our rights to compel them, similar to a mandamus, to act one way or the other.
Sa cross-examination naman ng abogado ng bise, ipinunto ni Ortonio na hindi pa naman daw pinal ang notice of disallowance ng COA sa OVP at pwede pa itong iapela. Hindi rin daw umano ginamit ang confidential funds sa mga regular na programa ng OVP.
Ian Cruz nagbabalita para sa GMA News.